How to pair the Fort Smart indoor pan and tilt camera. First, open the ClickSmart Plus app onto the home screen and tap the Add Device button. Or, if you already have devices connected, tap Add Devices in the top right-hand corner. Make your way to the ESP tab and select the Smart Indoor Pan and Tilt camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the camera into pairing mode and confirm. Connect the app to the same network as your device and follow the instructions using the on-screen QR code until you hear the tone. The Fort Smart Indoor Pan and Tilt camera will register to the app and network and initialize. Once your Fort Smart Indoor Pan and Tilt camera is paired, you can rename it to customize your setup. If you're having issues with connecting the camera, try the alternative Easy Mode and follow the on-screen instructions. Your Fort Smart Indoor Pan and Tilt camera is now ready to go. You can easily configure the camera to record, playback, enable motion detection and two-way audio communication. You can also control the pan and tilt function within the app to cover all areas of a room. All Fort Smart Security products are compatible with Alexa and Google devices.